This Saturday, the Sung Robotics Lab hosted what was in part an information session and in part an activity of its own to get people interested and excited about the artist in residency and to provide them with a sort of general sense of the kinds of things they might be able to build, the kinds of tools they'll have, the kinds of motors they'll be able to attach to systems. So we had a kit of an origami robot that we had them assemble based on step-by-step instructions, where we were going through and explaining, what this part does, how we made it, and how it's going together into this robot, which they then got to upload a program to and edit the program if they wanted, to have the robot walk around, to sort of slither forwards or turn sideways. The robot they built was a 3-link snake-like robot, sort of as like a simplified version of a snake with 3 bars connected by 2 servo motors. At the end of the workshop, they had their fully assembled robot with an Arduino on it, which we had shown them how to upload the code to. Almost all of them took their robots home, and I sent to all of them the code so that they can keep playing with it.